Good morning, Lion Joint Squad. Good morning. I woke up at 7:35. That's the time I woke up, so how everybody doing? How everybody day going? I hope everybody doing great. And man, I just woke up and what else? And I woke up and what else? I woke up today and Oreo's here actually with me. He's right there, but I took him to use the restroom. He used number one already. But not yet. He's still learning. But I hope everybody had a great day today. You know what? I'm just gonna, I think I might just focus on myself. And I think I don't need friends. Well, I don't know, dude. What else? And, do I need life to be happy? Do I? Not really. I'm just trying to keep Oreo happy a little bit. He feels like, I'm trying to make him more feel better because today is Thursday. He's in stuff with him, but, he's in stuff. He try to be more happy in life. So, I'm trying to make my little baby happy, but, this is my little baby right here. This is my little baby right here. No matter what always happened or will be. My little baby right here. My little baby right here. My son. I'll grab a cat no matter what. And what else? Well, just trying to keep myself happy in life. You know. Going up. Try to be happy in life. But this boy too, trying to make him happy and make him relearn. Cause Daddy know he loved him. Daddy know he loved. Daddy know he loves this boy right here. What? Always happy or will be. Just trying to keep him more positive way in life. And what else is and my hair is really like this. Tweet. Ah. I know what else. And I'm gonna keep oil in my apartment, in my house. And what else to do in my house and with Natalie, Dora, Ashley, Daniel. I don't know, but it's a lot of stuff we're gonna do. A lot. And what else? What else? And what else? What else? And it'd be a lot. A lot to do in life. And yeah, that's about it. Doing a lot of stuff. And what else? So, that's life. And I hope in life, hope he make them more better in life. Tell them Daddy loves them. I love you, Oreo. I love you so much. And yeah, I love you too, baby. This is my baby right here, no matter what. He always will be my little baby. And he's my son. I gotta test him and love him. And what else? And Toy. And what else? That's a lot of things I'm gonna do for Oreo. Maybe take him for a walk in the future. Maybe take him around an apartment. I'll show him around. And make him run around my new apartment. Let him run around a little bit. And he pooped inside. I'm gonna clean it up. And what else? What else? And I'm gonna keep order in my apartment forever, and then too, I move out to a new house. Maybe take D with me too. You know, when I have a house, I'm gonna take D with me too. But you know, I'm gonna put D in the back next to my shed. And that's it. And what else? What am I gonna do? Well, that's about it. That's what I'm gonna do. And yeah, that's about it. Alright then, I enjoyed the squad. You like the video? Like, subscribe, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Then my King Joker here with Oreo, so Oreo's right here, so peace out.